Hello everyone. Today, I will show you some of the paintings I did during the pandemic.
Thomas Shelby, Selena Gomez, Taylor Swift,
A work of art doesn't have to be explained. Vincent van Gogh once said, "If you hear a voice within you say you cannot paint, then by all means paint and that voice will be silenced."
Flowers.
Paint flowers, so they will not wither.
Animals.
Art is the only way to run away without leaving home. Let me know in the comments what I should paint next. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more.